Kwani umevaa bonnet? Aloha, mahalo is the greeting around here, okay? Just landed. Esther, why are you wearing a bonnet? What are you doing? We just landed. We're in Kona.
Protect my hair. My hair.
We made a ton of mistakes. We'll talk about them in the hotel, but it's about to be lit. It's gonna be a park your cars if you came with a car, but I didn't come with a car, so I don't have to walk all the way here. But I'll just be taking a picture for my thumbnail and go. Look at those trees. The resort is right there. So when you just enter, that's where you enter behind all the goodness that I'm about to show you guys. So we are not going to the boat. That's our transportation to our hotel. It's a TRAM. Boat is a panda kiang. So we can get when you tram to the hotel to get check in and chuck.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. QR code is going to be the whole directory for the resort, okay? So all dining, shopping, spa, everything that's on the resort, okay? Room keys are also going to be for your pool towels. You'll see the towel machines by all of the water areas all throughout the property, okay? There's no housekeeping service with just a few nights stay, but if you guys ever need anything replenished or extra stuff for your room, let us know, okay? We're done here 24 hours a day. You can give us a call or even text us through that code. And then if interested, you guys do have a fitness center here in this tower on the 6th floor, just outside of this room. Okay. Alrighty?
And where is our hotel room?
Your room is going to be right up here.
So
right up in this area towards the ocean view.
Okay.
Yep.
So we'll have to take the elevator or something. I'm giving you your accolades.
Happiness. This is chapter 26, baby.
This is chapter 26. Instead of what is the next destination?
Are you happy? I just wanted you to be happy. That was the whole goal.
I'm happy. That's my brain is already thinking about what the next destinations could be. Wait, what? Is this the... Okay, let's see the bathroom.
We don't have a bathtub.
Wait.
Is that a bidet? Is that a freaking bidet? Oh, yeah! Okay. We're gonna be shitting and getting cleaned by a bidet. Get into the program. Get into the program. Okay.
Oh my God.
Bye, guys. We're gonna go. He has a remote? Oh my God. Okay. Let me.
Remote controller.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Like,
What
you
is
can
it?
adjust
Are you kidding
how
me?
you want it.
Are you kidding me?
Dryer, position, fuck.
Okay, I'm hungry. We need to close the video because we need to go for dinner. Okay, people, I'm gonna close the video for the night. We just got here. We're gonna get ready for the... Esther, stop being on that mirror. Are you still exploring amenities? I am closing the video. We're gonna go for dinner and we will see you in the next part of the adventure.
This is the kumbe.
Mwashe yote anapata lighting nzuri. Head towards me. Hivyo hivyo. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I just arrived in Hawaii. It has been a long day. I cannot wait to share everything that went on with the day. The day started off bad because we mixed up our hotel reservation. I will explain that in detail later, but okay, maybe I can explain it right now. So basically I made a mistake and I mixed up the two islands. So I booked our adventures in Waikiki, and our hotel is in Waikoloa village. So that was a miss on my part, which is funny because I'm a really good planner, but I fucked that up. Acha kupiga kelele na hicho kidude. Ninarekodi video. Kinapiga kelele kinaniharibia video yangu. Anyways, so we just got here and I think it ended up being worth it because we were just coming to one island, explore, then leave for the weekend. So it has been a blessing in disguise because right now we get to explore 2 islands and that's gonna be exciting. So we're gonna go ahead and have dinner because we just arrived and it's really late. The restaurants are gonna close. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy dinner and probably just have fun at our balcony until tomorrow morning for the adventures. This is fun. Ayafungua. Estas neta transitions. Hey, itakuwa process. Hii kushoot content. Itakuwa ni process. Neta transitions, mama. Just woke up, did a little bit of work, uploaded my video, and I just want you to hear the birds, watch our view. We have a golf course, the ocean is over there in a 360. So basically this resort has like 5 different Hiltons, and depending on what you want to do, you get to pick where you stay. We wanted the ocean view, that's why we got the ocean side. Some people just wanted the theme park view, that's why they're close to the theme park / fake beach. So like there's fake sand there, so in case you want to have a beach day. And yeah, some fun stuff. Maybe I'll get to do some of those after I eat because I'm really hungry. Over there, that's where we're headed. And that's the tram, still going to different hotels. And here people are snorkeling, seeing different types of fish. There's fish in here. So it's like an all-in-one kind of place. You do not have to travel out of here to enjoy. Again, that's the beach from a different angle, and that over there is the building that we were sleeping in. Tourists everywhere. That's our building right there, right ahead of us, right ahead of the bridge. That's where we are sleeping, facing the ocean. There is a waterfall, people are swimming. Yeah, this looks like so much fun. think the pool areas is right under where we slept, and I had that video already. And the other pool also has like a waterfall effect. I'm gonna try look for that and also have a video. But yeah, I'm waiting for the train. Maybe up there, because that's where the train is driving from at the moment. And I used the longer route to get to where we are eating, so that's where I was supposed to be eating. Scratch that. I think this is where we were received yesterday. Then we took the train to go around all the way to our hotel room. So it's walkable if you're not tired or if you're feeling adventurous. But it's also a really good convenience to have that option of using the tram or the canoe. And there is a Buddha here. There is one by the ocean as well where we stay. I saw somebody praying there in the morning, then another person was meditating, and somebody else was also playing golf. Wow. So the longer route kind of paid off because I get to go through the waterfall to the restaurant. Yay! Dolphins, but I did that before. I did that when I visited Miami. I visited Orlando, so I did that. So I don't really need to do that today. But yeah, people are seeing dolphins. I think you saw some there. There we go. Yes. So we're sitting at this Greece-inspired umbrella-like hut. There's cement, by the way. And we're watching dolphins, people playing with dolphins while we wait for lunch and pina coladas.
Lava what? That kind of smooth.
I don't remember. I think it was lava or something like that.
Yeah, it's some sort of a pina colada, but it's called lava. It's really nice.
That's where I was filming from before I went to dinner, and now after dinner our hotel room is closer now. We are trying to go there. There's like a water slide. I'm trying to go down the water slide, swim a little bit, then go chill by our pool area until it's time to go to Honolulu. Chill to wait for the train or tram, whatever you call it. So it's right there. This is where we would typically board, but yeah. Heading to the room to freshen up from the pool, then head to the airport and take our flight to Waikiki. Yeah, outside your hotel room. If door service was a person, right? I guess it's safe to say God always finds a way to come through for me. Remember how we missed the Tesla tour this morning? So I just called a Lyft when I got back to Waikoloa, and my Lyft driver is Tesla. So I'm gonna go to my hotel in a Tesla. I guess it kind of makes up for not having the Tesla in the morning. So I'm excited to meet him, and I will see you at the hotel where I'll finish off the vacation to a great end. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm still excited. I'm exhausted, but I'm still excited, and my voice is kind of dry. See you. Sorry, tram. I'm not taking the tram today. I missed the boat once. I'm not gonna let that happen again. So today I'm gonna try to catch the back to my hotel just for the experience. Okay, it's a bit quieter now. I can try to take the video. So this is the map of the whole resort, and as you can see, we're here, and I am going back there from Waikiki because that's why we could see the ocean view very clearly. And from the ocean tower, this is where we had dinner the first day. This is where we had Italian, the new restaurant, and there's also some cultural stuff around there. Like there's a wedding chapel, and there are more like things from different cultures displayed around here. Then over here is where I currently am at. This is where some hotels are checking in here, but we are checking at the building. Some hotels are checking in here, and for me, I'm waiting for the tram or the boat to get to my hotel. So today I'm gonna try to catch the boat just to have the experience of riding the boat to the hotel room. And this is where I had lunch on day 2, and there was like a dolphin watch over here. People are watching dolphins over there, and I haven't visited this side. I might try to take a jog, go take a walk this evening and try to experience it there. And there's like a beach here, the small beach that I was showing from the videos, or I will be showing from the videos, is around here. The plan is to chill over there, and at night just finish the day with like swimming here because my hotel room is right around here. So I'll just finish the day with swimming at the hotel room, and yeah, vibes. Tomorrow morning check out, go back to my real life until the next vacation comes. And this is the boat's going this way and the tram going this way. So I need to get the boat that's going this way or the tram that's going this way, but right now we're waiting for the boat. So let's go catch the boat. So it runs between 2 to 10 p.m. daily. make a turn, then come for me. Yay! So that's the 360 perspective. Finally, the boat is here. It's coming.
Good job. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Watch this step here.
Okay, where do I put the bag? Do I just stay with it?
Wherever you go.
Okay.
Wherever you sit. That's the boat I was on from the top view. She said she'll be back in 30 minutes, and there was a part of the resort that I didn't check out. That's the part with the main pool. So I'm gonna try and get changed and check out the main pool. Then hopefully I get to shoot content. It might be too dark to see it, but I'll still go and just like check it out. Then maybe wait it out, chill there for like 30 more minutes. Then when the boat comes, I'll just come back. This view never gets old. Did anybody miss it like I did though? I think there's couples are meditating while watching the stars. That's so cute. I cannot relate. And some people are praying to Buddha over there. I'm gonna try to zoom that in. Yeah, they're praying to Buddha over there. So I might be jogging around the property tomorrow, but don't quote me on that. It really depends on how tired I am. But yeah, the sun is setting. I'm just gonna like leave the phone out here to time lapse itself till it gets dark. I feel like it's gonna be a really nice transition. Then bye for now. I'm gonna go check out the main pool. Catching the last train for the night. I mean the last boat for the night, not the last train for the night.
Then I might check out the bar, have a little bit of something to eat, then go to bed. Aloha.
There you go.
Mahalo.
You're welcome.
So I'm going to have breakfast, then check out of the hotel and head to the airport. First I need to pack my stuff. I have 2 hours to eat breakfast and head to the airport.